Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another follow along workout video. So this is a glute exercise using only resistance band. I am currently in a hotel quarantine, so I do not have any access to the gym, therefore resistance band is really come in handy during this type of situation. So without further ado, let's get started. The first exercise is a Romanian Deadlift resistance band pull. This workout is really great to target your hamstring and also glute. Make sure you keep your back straight and your core tight during this exercise. And also I'd like to mention that it will be a 30-second on and about 10-second rest time. It's a very low impact exercise, therefore we wanted to rest as less as possible during our training. We wanted to use 10 minutes efficiently. Now that we're done with the first exercise, let's move on to the second one. So the second exercise is a low squat with the booty band. You want to keep your chest as close to your knees as possible, so you just concentrate all the tension in your glutes. This will burn, trust me. Another variation of this is that you squat like you stand up tall and squat by squeezing your butt, but I like this one more because this is a low impact exercise, but it's really good and burn. And our third exercise would be a booty band kickback. So this exercise, you wanted to keep your ab engaged and also your back straight. I saw some people when they do the kickback, their back tend to curve. One thing, you're wasting your energy by making a lot of movement with your lower back. And the second and most important comment is that you will injure your lower back by keep ouching it every time you kick back. And also, when you keep your lower back straight, that means you concentrate all of the tension just on your glutes, just on the necessary muscle that we wanted to work on. And the fourth exercise, just the classic booty band donkey kick. So this one as well, you wanted to keep your back straight and your ab engaged. With all of this exercise, if you keep your ab engaged, you're not just working on your glutes, but you also working on your abs without you realizing. Try this without you realizing, your abs will be sore after. It's like a multi-purpose exercise. It's pretty good. And also make sure you keep your back straight and don't shift your weight, all of your weight towards the other legs, because that will also cause some imbalance. So make sure your back square when you do this. Next exercise is resistance band hip thrust. So this exercise, make sure you keep your head off the floor and look towards your knees when you do the hip thrust. That way you can engage your core and working on your abs as well at the same time. Next up, we have single leg hip thrust. This exercise is really good to incorporate in your warm-up or your body weight training, because sometimes one side of our glute is stronger than the other one, or one side is lazier than the other one. So when you are doing any single-legged warm-up or workout, it's important because it targets each glute at a time. But sometimes when you do classic hip thrust, the lazy glute would not be activated. Therefore, the single-legged exercise or single-leg hip thrust is very essential to incorporate in your training.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me.